Hello dear phasmatic friends. Today nonlinear inequalities, specifically quadratic, but another exercise where you cannot factorize. Follow me please. First of all, we identify that we have an inequality and we have a nonlinear inequality because the exponent is 2. So we follow the steps. First of all, everything on the left side, but here it is everything on the left side. So second step, make operations. But here there is nothing to do. Next step, factoring. But here, if you try, you cannot factor this expression, this trinomial. Fourth step, equal to 0. And here, if you don't have factors, you are going to put this expression that will be equal to 0. And to solve it, you can use the quadratic formula, or maybe to complete the square. So I think it is better to use the quadratic formula. Remember, x is equal to negative b, positive negative, the square root of b squared minus 4ac, and everything divided by 2a. Please pay attention. Always the number that is with the x squared is a, the number that is with the x is b, and the number alone is c. So here we have negative, the value of b is positive 1, so minus 1. Positive negative, the square root of b squared, that is 1 squared, minus 4 times a, the value of a is 1, times c, the value of c is 1. And everything divided by 2 times 1. And now we see that we have negative 1, positive negative, the square root of 1 minus 4, because 4 times 1 times 1 is 4. Divided by 2 times 1 is 2. And here you see that you have negative 1, positive negative, the square root of negative 3 divided by 2. And pay attention here, because a square root of a negative number is imaginary. So if you have imaginary numbers, you don't have critical values. So be careful here, because if you don't have critical values, you are going to put nothing on the number line. That is, you draw the number line and usually you take the critical values and you put them here, but you have nothing. So you are going to make your chart without numbers, that is from negative infinite to positive infinite. So next step, you put the numbers that are on the number line here. If you had a number here, another number there, you should put from negative infinite to this number, from this number to the other number, from the other number to the infinite. But here you have only negative infinite and positive infinite. So you are going to write negative infinite to positive infinite, always with parentheses the infinite. And here you are going to write the expression. You cannot factorize it, so you write x squared plus x plus 1. And you are going to choose a value between negative infinite and positive infinite. For example, a 0. Very easy. 0 squared plus 0 plus 1 is plus 1. That is positive. So the answer of this chart is positive. And here you have one expression greater than 0. What are the numbers greater than 0? Positive numbers or negative numbers? Positive numbers. That is, the answer is here. So the answer will be from negative infinite to positive infinite. So the answer is all the numbers. 3 ways of writing the same answer. So here you put the answer on the number line. Next way of writing the answer, you copy the interval. And finally, you write the set of numbers that are elements of the real numbers, such as x is real. Write that when the answer is all numbers. That means that if you replace x with any numbers, no matter what number you replace here, this expression will be true. This inequality will be true. And it is logic. A number squared plus the same number plus 1 will always be greater than 0. Thank you very much, dear Fastmatic friends. See you next time.